Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Lazy Coconuts Laundry Detergent Sheets is probably one of the most innovative and eco-friendly laundry solutions to hit the market, offering a powerful clean without the mess and waste of traditional liquid detergents or pods. These ultra-concentrated, pre-measured sheets dissolve completely in your wash, leaving clothes fresh and vibrant while significantly reducing plastic packaging and carbon footprint, making them a smart choice for both your laundry room and the planet. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of messy liquid detergents? Discover the revolutionary way to do laundry with Earth Breeze. These innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the plastic waste. Our eco-friendly formula is designed to tackle tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. It's a powerful solution that's gentle on your skin and the planet. Forget bulky jugs. These compact sheets are perfect for any home, big or small. They're incredibly travel-friendly, making laundry day a breeze wherever you go. Whether you use hot or cold water, these sheets dissolve completely. They ensure a thorough clean every time, adapting to your laundry needs. Experience a new level of clean that's kind to your sensitive skin. You get powerful stain-fighting action without harsh chemicals or irritating residues. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful, eco-friendly cleaning. Enjoy the fresh scent and the peace of mind that comes with a sustainable choice. What we like? This option is incredibly eco-friendly and travel-friendly. It tackles tough stains and odors effectively. If you're looking for a sustainable and convenient laundry solution, especially for travel or small spaces, this is a great choice. What people say. Got my clothes, clean and smelling fresh. Easy to store, easy to use and less waste for our environment. Get clothes clean with one sheet. My clothes came out clean and smelled nice. It's also so nice not having to lug around that heavy jug of detergent. And these take up no space. Number 4. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a cleaner, greener way to do laundry. Our innovative sheets offer powerful cleaning without the waste. Experience a deep clean that's tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. These hypoallergenic sheets are perfect for sensitive skin. Lightweight and compact, they're ideal for home, dorms, travel, and camping. Enjoy fresh, clean clothes wherever you go. Say goodbye to plastic waste. Our detergent sheets come in eco-friendly packaging, making laundry day better for the planet. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every wash. These sheets dissolve completely, leaving no residue behind, just brilliantly clean clothes. Perfect for quick hand washes on the go. Simply dissolve a sheet in water for an effective and easy cleaning solution. What we like? Get a massive 160 loads with this hypoallergenic, plastic-free option. It's perfect for home, dorms, travel, and even hand washing. If you prioritize a large quantity, sensitive skin, and zero plastic waste, this detergent is ideal for you. What people say. These laundry detergent sheets, unless stated otherwise, contains fragrance. The lightweight design makes them easy to travel to and from my apartment to the laundry room, without having to worry about spills of any kind from this detergent, because they're made into sheets and are not loose or liquid, which would normally spill all over everywhere even if you drop the box which they come in. I have sensitive skin to most laundry detergent that are not hyperallergenic. This brand did not cause me to break out even when I was washing in a sink, which I like a lot. Number 3. Rockin Green Active Wear Travel Laundry Detergent Sheets. Tired of bulky detergent bottles? Introducing our revolutionary laundry sheets, designed for ultimate convenience. Enjoy a fresh, clean wash without any added fragrances. Our gentle formula is perfect for all your active wear. Harnessing the natural cleaning power of sodium bicarbonate, these sheets tackle dirt and odors effectively. Simply toss a sheet into your wash. It dissolves completely, leaving no residue behind. Lightweight and compact, they're ideal for any trip. Keep your clothes fresh wherever your adventures take you. Each pack provides an incredible 104 loads of laundry. That's long-lasting freshness for all your travels. What we like? This unscented, mess-free detergent is easily dissolvable. It's designed for active wear and travel. If you prefer fragrance-free options, hate messy spills, or need a simple solution for on-the-go laundry, this is the one to consider. What people say. It does a great job removing sweat odors from activewear that regular detergents struggle with, even in cold washes. I also appreciate that it's unscented, which is perfect for sensitive skin and for anyone who doesn't like strong fragrances lingering on clothes. The powder dissolves well when used as directed, and a little goes a long way, so the 90 load size feels like a good value. Number 2. Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets. Introducing Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets, the innovative solution for your laundry needs. Experience a powerful clean with our convenient dissolvable sheets. These sheets are designed to fully dissolve in your washing machine, leaving no residue behind. Enjoy a hassle-free laundry experience every time. Say goodbye to bulky bottles and messy powders. Our compact sheets are perfect for small spaces and ideal for taking on the go. Despite their compact size, these sheets provide a deep clean for up to 200 loads. They are gentle on fabrics while tough on stains. Enjoy the refreshing scent of fresh linen with every wash. It leaves your clothes smelling clean and revitalized. Make a sustainable choice for your home. Our dissolvable sheets offer an eco-friendly alternative to traditional detergents. What we like. Enjoy 200 loads with this compact and dissolvable detergent. It's a great alternative to traditional liquid and powder detergents. If you want the most loads possible in a space-saving format and a simple, effective wash, this is your best bet. What people say. Works great, clothes are clean and sweet-smelling. Economical and no giant plastic jugs. It has made laundry so much easier. Truly, I tell every disabled person about this product because I love it so much. It's a wonderful detergent. Has a great smell. And is so easy to use even if you have a major physical disability. Pleasantly surprised how well these work. Have used them 7-8x and clothes come out clean and smelling great. Number 1. Kind Laundry Detergent Sheets Ocean Breeze. Introducing Kind Laundry Detergent Sheets, your new go-to for a powerful clean. Experience plant-powered freshness with every wash. Our innovative sheets are formulated with stain-fighting enzymes to tackle tough messes. They're eco-friendly, making laundry day better for your clothes and the planet. Designed for convenience, these sheets are ideal for your home laundry routine or for packing on the go. Enjoy a fresh scent wherever you are. Breathe in the refreshing ocean breeze scent that leaves your laundry smelling wonderful. It's a subtle, clean fragrance you'll love. Proudly recognized as a Mom's Choice Award winner, you can trust the quality and effectiveness. Get 60 loads of brilliant cleaning in every pack. What we like. Featuring powerful stain-fighting enzymes and plant-powered ingredients, this detergent is an award winner. It's suitable for both home and travel. If you need superior stain removal and prefer eco-friendly, plant-based formulas, especially if you value recognized quality, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. It leaves our clothes clean, smelling fresh, and it's super easy to use. Just half a sheet does the job for a load. They are so much more practical and you don't have to worry about messy liquid detergent spilling, pods leaking or popping or the mess of powdered detergent when going to and from the laundry room. They are also super easy to store and take up less space than her dryer sheets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.